love the Caged Babies mix. It's Raise the Roof by Tracey Thorn. What is it? There's something always the girl. Anything but the girl. So, but or maybe I don't even remember now. Is it The Desert's Mystery? I don't know. Or the Desert's Missed the Rain. Sorry, that's a little lyric thing that I have. I thought it was The Desert's Mystery, but it's The Desert's Missed the Rain. This is the PA driver on the Titan motor. I terminated here for the positive, and then the negative goes all the way around. Remember, it's an AC signal, so it doesn't matter if one's long and one's short. It's not going to make a difference. So, because it's alternating. It's alternating. That's why it's called alternating current. I just remind myself though, I got to put the bolts in here to hold this whole fucker down before I put the cone on. That'll help. And then we're doing the. I only got a few of these left. It's a glass fiber laminate cone. Looks really tits McGee. I found a bug. It's not, well, it turned out, I thought it was a bug. It wasn't a bug. There he is. It's the 2700 watt. Apparently on the initial turn on, or after it's been off for a while, the capacitor bank is so great that it takes a while for the analog computer built in to charge up the cap bank. So, because usually what it does is it goes whomp, and then it comes on. But this one was like wah, 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 wah. And then if you just leave it on, which is like, for anybody that tests amps for a living, that's like death, because you're just asking to let the magic smoke out. So, but it didn't. It just goes whoa, 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 and then it goes, and then there was no current drawn. I was like, what the fuck? And I look at the computer, gave me a green light. I was like, okay. So, but I let the manufacturer know, and then, you know, they're like, spazzy American, go eat some pork, fat pig. They didn't say that, but they basically said that. So anyways, Scotty's here to pick up this one, and he'll be done. So, and then I also wanted to show you, I found a vendor that can sell me the Titan motor. This is basically a copy of the Titan motor with a little different bolt pattern. So, but it's pretty cheap, and I'll sell it to you guys if you want. But I'll talk to you later. Love ya. Think GONZO, it's Friday.